what should I read to improve my spoken English? Guys, there are many people, they want to improve their spoken English, but they don't know what to read. Guys, reading is an important part to improve spoken English. So I'm going to tell you today what should you read to improve your English speaking or spoken English. And if you apply all these tips, definitely you are going to speak very good English and you will speak very good English. So let's start this video and I'm going to tell you some wonderful tips. The first one is English books. Guys, you must read more and more English books. You must be familiar with English. And if you read English books, definitely it will help you to improve your spoken English. So you should read daily English books. Yeah. The second one is newspapers and magazines. You must read newspapers and magazines. I also read newspaper daily. Yeah, I do this. I do reading and I keep on improving my spoken English because I know the value of newspaper reading to improve the spoken English. So will you do now? The third one is short stories and essays. Yes, short stories. Guys, you should not only read but also speak short stories and essay. You should read so much. Okay, it will also help you to improve your spoken English. You must read short stories. These are also interesting, so you will not get bored easily. So fourth one is online blogs and articles. If you love to read articles and blogs online, then you can also do, because it's very good and interesting and people love this. Maybe you also, okay, so you just read the blogs, online blogs and articles. The next one is English language apps. You can also like download many kind of like English language apps and you can use that. You can practice reading also through the online English language apps. The next one is conversational books. There are many books available in the market. There is a conversation given, like between the customer and seller, shopkeeper. Okay, between two people. So you can also read that conversational book. I have also one and I keep on reading that, and it's very helpful. And it helped me so much to improve my spoken English. The next one is English to English dictionaries. Yeah, there are many English to English dictionaries are available in the market. You can also use. I'm not talking about like English to Hindi dictionary. I'm talking about English to English dictionary. You can use, and it's very interesting to read also. The next one is join our reading group. You can also join reading group. Maybe some of your friend or anyone who is just interested in reading. You can also do English reading with them. It will also help you. So by doing this, you can just do the reading and improve your spoken English. Please apply some of the method which is very helpful for you. You can understand which is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.